So on our previous class, we talked about how we can count. We talk about aggregate functions. We look at on some. We give some statistics like the marks, the meaning, and all. So now today we are going to look at on what we call SQL case. Now, just like our Python programming language, remember in Python we have something we call if x statement. If else what statement. So now in SQL, this case statement are regarded as what if statement. If else what statement. So it is more important as a programmer or as a data analyst to understand this statement called case, to understand what this statement called case. Now case, it is more important because you are going to work with series of codes which you are going to what give different options. Now for example, let's take out student record. Now we want to analyze a student record. We want to check each of their grade, either if a person scored A or B or C. So using the case statement, it will help you to what grade that student. So now let's look at on what grade case statement. Okay, please wait for a few minutes. I'll get back to you. So I'm still on the call. Okay, I just want to arrange something on my end. So please, I will get back to you, please. Okay. Uh, okay. Owoyemi, just as I explained, please, I explained something to you, which is case. What do you understand by the word case statement?
Yeah,
Are
sorry.
you-
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. Okay. Case statement is a conditional statement. It is similar to the if statement, if else statement. When we are using when and then. Are you together?
Okay, yeah. When and then.
Yes. Yes. So
Correct. Just I explain. Now, when and then. And also, I relate it to what if statement. If else. In just like your Python programming language, if else. So, in SQL, they now replace that if else to what when and then. So you see that they they have same agenda but different name. They have what same agenda but different name. So that's why we say that when you are learning different programming language, they are all the same but different what syntax, different pattern. Okay, but they are all the same programming language steps. Now for Kemi that just came in, let me refresh what I just explained again. So, so we are talking about SQL case statement, and we said that SQL case statement is SQL way of what handling if slash then logic. If slash then logic. The case statement is followed by at least one pair or when and then statement in SQL. It's an equivalent of what if then. So just like your Excel I explained, just like your Python I explained. So because of this pairing, you might be attempted to what call this statement case when or case or but case is the accepted terms. Case is the accepted what terms which you can use to what explain. Now for example, a no programmer can just come in and see your program and say, what is this? What is this case all about? Now you can just explain that it's like a conditional statement or a if statement or a case statement. Some programmer don't know the word some non-programmer don't know the word case. They might not even, they can only understand if else, because if else is normal regular language which everybody use as a conditional word statement. So that is the concept I just explained. So we have what the step we write this syntax. For example, when you write out your condition, you write out your condition one, then you give it a result which it can output. You write your condition two, then give it a condition which it will also output. Then write out your condition again. So this is how it follows. It follows steps. So we are going to see what I just explained. We are going to see an example of what I mean. Of what I mean. You understand? Now let's look at our student record. So before I move to the coding aspect, Kemi, do you understand what I've explained so far?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's
Mhm.
move on. Okay. Now we are going to see our student data. Let's see student data. Good. Good. So this is our student data. We want to use what if then statement.
So I'm not
Now,
seeing your screen. No.
guys, are you not seeing my screen?
I'm seeing your screen.
Okay.
So,
Okay, I'm seeing. I'm seeing.
okay,
I'm seeing.
okay, good, good. Now, so let's see how I'm going to do it. Now, I'm going to select, okay, let me just select all, then give it a condition, age. If age is greater than, then we'll say retired. Okay, let's say if it's greater than 40, retired. If it's equal to 30, uh, active, still working, active. Uh, then else we give it a condition like that. So let's see something. Let's see as we are going to do it. Okay. Now we are going to write it like this. Select or select or then select or okay, no. See how we're going to do it. Are we going to select or let us not select all. Let us select just the age. Select age because we are going to make use of the age, and select just the age. And which other thing we are going to select again? And we are going to select age. Then let's see. Let's select the first name or first name. Okay, first name. So let's use the first name of the person. First name. So you can as well use multiple name. You can as well use multiple columns. Please take note of the, you can as well use what multiple columns. First name, comma, age, comma. Then we come down, we write case. Then our case should be when um when age is when age is greater than um, 20, greater than 20, then it should write out something we call, okay, let's say active in service. Active, active in service. Now, good. So let's give it another condition again. So we have what active is in service, and also we'll also write it uh, with another condition again. So let's see how we're going to write this other condition. Let us just copy this and move it downward. Like, okay, let's say when is uh let's say when is 30, when is 30 about, let's say about to retire, retired. Now let's say let's paste it again. Let's say 40. Let's say 40 retired. Okay. So let's say 40 retired. Good. Now 40 retired. So just as our Python is, we are going to write end. We are going to write end. Okay, but just as our Python is, remember in our last class, we were able to sort out Akpam's error, which we have to what create a separate column for the sum. I believe you were in class where we did that. Hello,
Yes, yes, yes.
um, Kemi, were you in class when we created a separate column for Akpam for the sum in our Python when we were able to.
Yeah, when we use DF, yeah.
Yeah, dear. So now this is how SQL also do their own. Now we want to create a separate column which all these details we have set as a condition will be what stored, will be what stored. So now SQL have something we call as. It's just like what we talked about alias. We want to save it as alias. So let's see how we are going to what save it. Okay. Okay, so moving on. I believe you guys understand. Everybody are following.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say results. Let's save it as what? Result. So result. Then we can come down from, where are we selecting it from? We are going to it from what? Student data. Let's say student what? Data. So that's the end. So let's see something. Let's see our output. How our output going to look like. So let me adjust this. Good. So we are going to run this and see what our output will be. Will be like, okay, let's move on. So I forgot something. What did I forgot? This. So good. So did you see? What did you see? Did you see our result?
Yes, sir.
So the other thing we made mistake is that what the 40 was active, still active in service. So now what will be the problem? Who can identify the problem or who can solve the problem?
40
The
will
problem
be
is that
40 will be,
okay.
okay. 40 will be retired. 41 will be retired because we are using greater than 40. So if you are going to include 40, then you have to be greater or equals to 40.
Okay, let's say greater or equal to 40 and see our result. Greater or equal to 40. So let's see something. Let's see our result. But still the same thing. Still active service. There is something we are missing out. What is the problem? What is the issue there? Who can solve it? So now let's do this a practical class. Now
Okay.
everybody
So,
drop their everybody drop their correction on the comments on this our chats, online chat here. So I want to see your correction. I want to read it. Let me see. I want everybody to drop it. So what will be our are we going to solve it? So Kemi, drop your own. Akpam, drop your own.
Please, can I see the last line there?
Okay.
I was not there when you completed it.
This
Okay.
yeah, sorry. I noticed that it is only the first one. It is only the first condition that is being replicated. I think the what should be done there is to down is it semicolon or what at the end of each at the end of each condition. We did not
okay.
terminate it. So
Okay. Now I've terminated it now. So let's see our result. So everybody will solve this problem. So this is a practical class now. Everybody will solve this problem. Now, what did you see? It gave us an error. What is the error?
no, you use comma. You are using comma.
So what are we going to use? What are you going to use? Okay. Okay. Now we miss out something. Okay, we miss out something. We miss out something. Let's see something. Let's say X. Now in S, let's see what will be our result. In X, what will be our result? S. Mm. So I want you to drop your solution. Oh, we are still on it to see. Drop your solution. Everybody, drop your word solution. So hello,
Yeah, you are
hello guys.
still processing it. Still processing it.
I, I hope you are not dropping your message on the group WhatsApp group chat too. Is this
No,
call
no, it's
chat
going
here?
to be here. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Don't drop on the call chat. So let's solve this problem and see what will be what our result. So how are we going to do it? So let's see how we are going to solve it. And okay,
Okay. Let's do it like this. I think let's because I notice that it is only the first condition. Once the first condition is being met, the other it will not go through the other condition again. So let's take it from the highest to the lowest.
okay,
Let age 40 come first, then
you
30, then
want
20.
you want the 40 to come first.
Yes, then 30, then 20.
Okay, so 40 to come first. When is 40? Should be what? Retired, right? Right? What's the statement?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
just write it?
Okay, let me write.
So when it's 40, it should be what? Retired. Okay. Now, so when, so is, do you want it like this? Hello?
Yes, let's run it and see.
Okay. So did you see what happened there?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
The thing is that 35 is retired. Why? Okay, about to retired. Okay, good. So meaning our code is right?
yes, sir. Code
Yes,
is right.
So now, Kemi, do you understand what happened there?
I'm still working on it. Mhm. Okay.
We have already got it, but let me see your own result too. Okay? But do you understand what Owoyemi did?
Okay, I think it's the arrangement. I mean,
Yeah, the arrangement. So let us see your own too. Akpam, can I see your own? Or you did not try to attempt?
I'm using phone.
Okay, you are using phone. So is it your laptop is not charged?
Yes, sir. There's no light though.
So Owoyemi. So everybody's okay, right? Is everybody okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
can we do something? Can we do something like this? Hello, can we do something like this? Let's say S. Let's say S. Our S should be uh okay. Our S should be what? Still very active in service. So still very active in service. Can we do something like this? Now look at these two. Did you see these two?
yes, sir.
Hello, oh wait, I mean, did you see it?
Yeah.
Uh, Kemi, did you see it?
yes.
Now the two said none. Why? Because it's an empty value, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what if we add this s? Automatically that If it's two, it will still be still very active in what service. So S is like if it did not meet all of these criteria, give the result as what still very active in service. So let's run and see how it's going to give us. Okay. Now, what did you see?
Still very active in service for two.
Still, still very active in service for what two. So that is how it works. And I believe you have learned a lot here. Do you Are
Yes.
you guys still confused, or
No,
do
no,
you
no,
have
no.
question?
It is clear.
It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Should I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is clear. So good. We are going to solve problem on that. Okay, we're going to solve problem on that. So sometimes look at some persons in our class. We just come feel that um, everybody. ah, I don't really know. They don't attend class, but you expect me to always take a permission, to always accept your permission. Please, just try to be. I think two of your fellow classmates came to my DM telling me that they will not be available. Ah, so what do you want me to do? The thing is that if we missed a class, although it's being recorded, but it will not be active as you were in class and interact with me one on one. I don't know if you understand. I did not tell you not to miss class, oh, but the interaction between me and you in our live class is very important. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Sometimes not everything in class may be recorded. So let's move on. So now, have you heard about distinct? Distinct? Have you guys heard about distinct? Distinct value? Okay. Oyemi, okay, I've asked Oyemi a lot of questions. So let's me go to Kemi. Kemi, have you heard the word distinct before? Distinct. Please, if you have heard about it, can you briefly explain it for us, and also just let us know what you understand by distinct.
I've only seen it in
This thing,
dictionary.
this thing, the
Okay,
this,
so what
this,
have you seen it? Okay,
this.
Akpan, please hold on. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, Kemi, please, what have you seen in dictionary? What do you
I
understand
need
by
to
the word?
separate now to maybe to separate something from something. So we can say
Yeah, to
in
separate.
SQL to remove, want to remove a row, want to remove something. Okay?
Okay, let's see. Akpan, you tried. Okay, Akpan, what do you understand by the word distinct?
This thing means to remove a duplicate value, like just to show unique values.
Okay, unique value. So now, Kemi, I believe you understand now. Distinct is like unique what
Yeah.
values. Okay, for example, we have two. Let's say similar cells. So now, for us to bring out all these similar cells, we are going to use the word distinct. So, Oweyemi, kindly write something for me. Assignment. Okay, before I move on to the next assignment, please, did you do your last week assignment? Oweyemi, did you do your last week assignment?
Yes.
Have you submitted it?
Yes, everything is inside one SQL file.
Okay, Akpam, have you submitted yours?
Yes, sir.
Kemi, you?
Yes, I have.
Okay, now this Oyemi, please write this assignment. Uh, okay, write this assignment. Okay, solve uh um using our student record, solve a problem using what distinct aggregation. Okay, using distinct in what aggregation, or solve a problem using what distinct. Okay, I believe it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Write a problem using what distinct. So now, and I want to see something. Do you guys, okay, can everybody share their screen? I want to stop using this student record. I want to move on to the default database on this system. Can you share your screen? Do you have this schema? So, okay, now let's move on to this. Uh, do you have something like this? Do you have this killer? Do you have Skilla on your workbench?
Skilla.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Sakila. Yes, I have.
you have. So, Akpam, do you have it? Sakila
Sir, it's there.
is there. Okay, good. So, I want to stop using our student record. I want to move on to the default database. Okay. So, now we are moving to the default database. So, now everything concerning the student record, we are going to end it there because we want to join. Okay, good, we can still make use of what the student record, but there are different database. So no, we are not going to use student record, so but we are going to use Sakila. So let's me use Sakila. Let's see something. Let's say use Sakila. Let's say use Sakila. Okay, one row affected. Selector from what? Sakila. Select all from Sakila. So let's see Sakila. Sakila does not exist. Why? Sakila does not exist. Really? Okay. Sorry. I'm going to use table. It's table I'm supposed to use. Sorry. Let's see all from actor. It's not Sakila again. No. I made mistake. You guys did not even correct me. Why now? So this is our table. We have table one, actor. We have what? Table one, which is what? Actor. We have Penelope. So we have Nick, and you have Jennifer, Edie, Jay. So these are actors ID and their last updates, and we are going to make use of SQL join. Okay, SQL. Okay, should we continue this? Should we start this as a new topic on Sunday, or should I continue?
Let's start
Uh,
it as a new topic on Sunday.
Okay, Kemi, should we?
We
Because
can,
I don't
we
want
can
to.
start. We can start from Sunday.
Okay, good. So, Owoyemi Akpam, can you hear me?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your graduation is close. Did you see the flyers?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's the date of your graduation?
30th. 31st. Abi? 30th. Something.
30th,
So 30th is what?
Thursday.
Thursday. So please, get prepared. Get prepared. Get prepared. A lot of questions will be thrown to you, and I want you to show your dashboard, not your writing. I do not want to see your right. I want to see a good dashboard. I want your dashboard to speak about what you did. I want it to be detailed. And also, I want you to add presentation. I do not play with presentation. Add your what presentation. I have seen that you have submit your assignment, but you did not add what presentation. You did not add dashboard. I taught you about dashboard, right?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, I taught you about uh how to present. So give me presentation. Give me your dashboard, okay? Thank you so much, and submit it to that folder. Your certificate will not be shared to you that day. Your certificate will be added with SQL. So we are not going to distribute your certificate. So we are going to include SQL. At the end of SQL, we'll give you your certificate, okay?
All right, sir, no problem.
So do have a nice day, prepare ahead, and also see you guys on Sunday. And I want you to remain on the top, and happy new week, happy weekend. Okay, enjoy your weekend. So Kemi, enjoy your weekend and have a great day ahead. Bye.
All right, thank you. Bye.